In this video, you will learn how to pair EE Remote to TV. First, turn on both your TV and your EE TV box. Then, point your remote directly at the EE TV box. Next, press and hold the STB and OK buttons together until the light on the remote flashes twice. If you don't see a button labeled STB, look for a button that says TV AV. After that, enter the code for your TV brand, which you can find in Settings, then Remote Control, then TV Setup on your EE TV box. Then wait for the light to flash twice again. That means the pairing worked. Finally, test it by pressing the volume or power buttons to see if they control your TV. If it doesn't work, repeat the steps with a different TV code until it pairs successfully. If the remote still doesn't respond after pairing, remove the batteries, wait a few seconds, and put them back in. Then try the pairing steps again. Also, make sure there's nothing blocking the front of your EE TV box, since the remote uses infrared to send signals. That's all. Like and subscribe if you find this video helpful.